王外长您好，人民日报记者提问，请问王外长，面对逆全球化抬头，中国将如何抵制保护主义，同世界更好分享发展机遇，引领全球经济持续稳定增长？谢谢。
People's Daily. Faced with the backlash against globalization, how will China resist protectionism, better share opportunities with the world, and lead the sustained and steady growth of the world economy?
The world economy is facing headwinds, and globalization is suffering a backlash. We are seeing that a certain country is erecting tariff barriers and pushing economic and technological decoupling. This is no different from using kindling to put out a fire. You will only get burned. President Xi has reminded everybody that it's impossible to channel the vast ocean of the global economy back into isolated lakes. It just runs counter to the tide of history. Pursuing protectionism is akin to locking oneself in a dark room. It may keep out wind and rain, but it also shuts out light and air. The problems facing economic globalization can only be addressed through more sustainable development and more equitable and effective governance. To this end, President Xi has called for promoting an economic globalization that is universally beneficial and inclusive. The goal is to make the pie of economic globalization bigger and, more importantly, divide it more fairly. The principle is to leave no country behind and halt the widening wealth gap. The pathway is to encourage countries to draw on each other's strengths and share opportunities through economic openness, and pursue common development and mutual success through convergent interests. China not only talks the talk, but walks the walk. Over the past 5 years, its economy has grown at an average annual rate of 5.4%, accounting for around 30% of global growth, greater than the contribution of the G7 combined. Looking ahead, China is the world's largest potential consumer market and the biggest emerging economy, underpinned by better conditions supporting a positive long-term outlook and a stronger trend of sustainable growth. China will remain the most stable engine of the global economy. A country's greatness lies in serving the greater good. China will expand high standard opening up, not only as the world's factory, but also the world's market. China is strongly committed to supporting trade and investment liberalization and facilitation, keeping global industrial and supply chains stable and smooth, upholding the WTO-centered multilateral trading system, and defending a fair and open economic and trade order. The world can count on China to deliver new contributions to strong and sustainable global growth. Thank you.